Now we're going to start on some of the surrounding stuff. I showed you how to model all the building elements. Now there's the site and the landscaping, which can be a ton more work and a ton more complicated sometimes than just the building. As you saw, the building was pretty straightforward. It's all straight lines, so that kind of makes it easier. With a site, you can have a lot of organic shapes, and you can get tons of polygons. You can see this tree here, which is a tree from Evermotion. The polygons, almost 1,000,000 polygons for this tree. Now when you're starting landscaping, we're not going to go into it too much in this video because this is again an intro course and you can go on for with landscaping forever. But there's quite a few free downloads available. Some of them are for commercial use, some of them not. Like for example, Evermotion is a site where you can buy all sorts of different models. If you go here to Arc Models, they sell collections. Okay, so Arch Models Volume 141 has all these plants. The one I was just in was one of their more popular ones, and it's just a bunch of trees. And most of these have one of the files from the collection available as a free download. So you can go here to evermotion.org, find a free sample you want of a tree, and you can click on it, but Evermotion will tell you the sample is not for commercial use. Okay, so that's for you to learn with, and that's fine because that's what you're trying to do. Okay, I don't actually want to download this. Anyway, Evermotion makes a lot of really high quality models, and you can buy them for a price, and I would recommend getting a nice library of trees, plants, etc., etc., because building them yourself is crazy hard and takes a really long time, and there's no way you can save money by building it yourself, because you'll get like 50 trees in here for 120 euros. It might take you half a day to make one tree yourself, or longer. There is some softwares out there like Onyx Garden, GrowFX. These are programs that can build custom trees, and that might be worth investing in if you find yourself needing to build trees that look a specific way. Xfrog is another company that gives away collections of trees, and actually for free stuff, if you go to their samples, there's actually a ton of free things you can get from Xfrog. So we'll use some of those. We'll use some Evermotion trees that I have already, and I'll just start showing you basic usages of these. We'll show how to proxy them using V-Ray, and we'll show you how to put them into your scene basically.